Here we got this leaking seal on the upper shaft of the differential. Leaking pretty bad. You can see that it's starting to, when it's turning, it's leaking on the drive airbags. So there it goes. It's just messy. These jobs are usually easy or it can be hard, but they are fairly very simple. So Peterbilt, first you always want to make sure you have safety going first. And look at this bad Milwaukee M18 3/4, the 55mm socket, tearing that thing apart. A little bit of foot action. Now that yoke is usually hard to get off sometimes, but this one came off like butter. Clean it off. Spray clean, get it all clean, and get all that crud off. But here's the seal, and it is just really in there. It's very tough to get out, so sprayed some penetrant spray on it to kind of get it out. Look at those gears. Low fluid. Just thought I'd show you this part. It's pretty cool to me. Where the shaft goes into. But I had to heat it up. Things get extreme. And you gotta torch it. But I'm just going around evenly and getting each side out. I had to kind of like, taco mushroom it a little bit to get it out. There it goes. It's coming out. There it is. Clean the mating surface. Now here, it's a little FYI thing. That dust shield doesn't have to always go back on, especially if you didn't buy it in the set. A new one. So I had to put this one on first time and had to get a new seal. So just letting you know so you don't mess up. You don't got a new dust shield. It doesn't really matter. But once you put it back in, and there it goes, hammer it down, put a little bit of Loctite on the nut, and then I did torque this, and that torque spec, I torqued it to 350 foot-pounds. For those of you torque police out there, got that on, just make sure the free play is good. Just a little bit of drag is okay because the seal is new. And sure everything's on right and everything's good, and put that drive shaft back on with them 13mm 12 point. It ain't gonna work if you don't got a 12 point socket or wrench. Alright, just on top here, get that down. Get that down. Drive shaft's pretty heavy, but I have the ratchet straps for support, so it limits all the struggle. Look at that, new fluid inside. Make sure you fill it to where it's coming out of the hole. That's the correct way to fill it. It's coming out, you know it's good. And there we are.